So goodbye for us.
Hi guys, now let's see how to download and install Visual Studio Code in Windows. Open your browser. Now search for download VS Code or Visual Studio Code. Click on the first link. You can download for Windows, Linux and Mac. I am downloading for Windows. It will start automatically or you can click here. Now open the setup file. Click on I accept the agreement and click next. You can browse if you want and click next. Click next. Check all this. And click next. Now click install. Now you can uncheck this if you want and click finish. Shortcut will be created in the desktop. Double click on this shortcut to open VS Code. A new window will open now. You can create a new file here or you can open an existing folder. You can create a new file by clicking on this icon or you can create a new folder by clicking on the next icon.